back to Frosting Friday here at Shelly's Bakes Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, so you don't miss out on all the fun that we are having here. Welcome to all the new people. I'm just so excited you're all here. It's been such an adventure, and I'm so glad you guys are on this fun adventure with me. Today, we are going to turn this cake into a bunny. Yep, we are making an Easter bunny cake. Here is my cute little Easter bunny ears I made out of fondant. We're going to stick them right in the cake here in a few minutes. I also made some little eyes. You guys will see my eyes. I guess I should show you the right way. But these are my little eyes out of fondant and a little nose. And we have to have bunny feet, so we made some little bunny feet. What else do we need to make this a bunny? Obviously we need our tips. I'm using 1M tips, our 4B tip. We also need buttercream. We're going to change the colors. I'm going to do a pink and purple kind of bunny on top today. We need some sprinkles, and I'm using some new food coloring that I just got from Chef Master, and it's supposed to be super vibrant and fun, so we'll see how that works. I'm excited to use that. Alright guys, let's get started making this bunny, but before we start, I just wanted to say that I'm making this bunny today. I'm going to show you guys how the bunny comes to life, but I'm also going to show you a different way that I'm going to decorate this bunny today. I made this little medical mask, and it's going to be a little medical mask bunny because I just wanted to say to all of those health workers that are putting themselves on the front lines and saving lives that we're grateful for you, and we see you, and we love you, and I just wanted to put that out there today, that we are so grateful for all of the medical workers and nurses and doctors, the people who are just right there helping all of these people in our world right now, and I just wanted to shout out to you guys and tell you that we love you. And so I'm going to put a little mask on our bunny today. I'll show you, like I said, how to make it normal, but I am going to put a little mask on our little bunny because Easter is going to be a little different this year, obviously, and I just wanted to say thank you to those who are saving lives right now. All right, let's start making this bunny, guys. All right, to start out, I've just got my 1M tip, and we're just going to start piping some rosette right here in the front to just make the front of our bunny. Now I've got my tip 4B, and I'm just going to kind of fill in around the rosettes here. Alright, now that we have our bunny piped, we are going to add her little eyes. Just kind of eyeball where you guys think that she would look good with her eyes. It's kind of all you do. You just kind of eyeball it and like, okay, that works. Okay, let's do this one now. Okay, I decided to put on the bigger eyes. That's why I always make 2 sets, so that I can decide. So I put on the bigger eyes. Now we're gonna put on her little bunny nose. And we're just gonna stick it right here. All right, now we got our little nose on. Now we're gonna add her feet. So to add the feet, you just stick it right into this buttercream, right on there. Stick this one here. All right, guys. Cutest little bunny. As far as adding the ears, there's really no right or wrong way to do it. Just decide where you kind of want to put them and just stick them right in, guys. As far as the bunny ears, this is why I told you to make them in advance, because if you don't, while you're pushing them in, they can break, they'll bend. You need them to be sturdy so that when you put the cute bunny ears in your cake, they will stay standing, guys. Just be really careful and soft as you put them in so that they stay.